Hi guys, and welcome to my channel again. I have a bag that I have been meaning to show you guys that I got off of Fashion File. Um, oh, it's been weeks ago, if not close to a month. I just haven't had time to show you guys. It is a Louis Vuitton Judy bag in the Murakami multicolor white. It is just adorable. As you can see, I haven't even clipped um, the tag off because it says once you snip it, it's yours and you cannot return it. Well, you only have a 15 grace period from the time that they shipped it. So I couldn't send it back even if I wanted to. But when I got it, I just knew that I wasn't going to want to send it back anyway. So I put it on the shelf and I just totally forgot about it. But today I want to wear it to lunch with my husband. So I said, why not just do a quick video and let you know about this beautiful bag. It is vintage. It is so cute. The Vachetta just looks adorable, and it has patina very well. It even has it at the bottom. It does have foot bottoms at the bottom. The Takashi Murakami who made this bag. This is in the white multicolor, and there is no discoloration on it whatsoever. There is some small watermarks on it that's not very noticeable. The hardware looks really well. It does not have any tarnishing. It does have some scratches, but nothing too bad that I can't live with. But isn't it just adorable? I just fell in love with it when I saw it. It does come in different sizes. This is the larger size. It does come in a PM size, but I did want the larger size. It has a beautiful thick strap that comes with it that has the brass hardware, gold tone hardware, and then it has the Vachetta on it with Louis Vuitton. I'm sorry, it does not have Louis Vuitton on this one, but this is also removable. So if I don't want to wear it, I don't have to wear it. I can just take it off and wear it as a clutch. So I'm very happy with this. Um, it does have a magnetic clasp in it. And I'm going to take out the stuffing that came in it and just show you it has velvet, beautiful burgundy velvet lining in it. It has a pocket in it that snaps open, and it has a button on it with the Louis Vuitton logo on it. And then it has a big open room to it. And then it has this clasp here, button clasp, that does have the Louis Vuitton logo on it, and that you can just magnetically clasp it together. So it is just adorable. I love the little gold tone studs on it at the bottom. It's something about Takashi Murakami that the bags look very different um, than the just traditional Louis Vuitton bags. And I think that's why people like it so much. But yeah, so I think that I am going to go ahead and clip it and then show you as far as the certificate of authenticity. Guys, if you have seen my other videos, I have the worst problem with pronouncing words, so just bear with me. But um, in mostly all my videos, I'm either not pronouncing it right or I'm just jacking the words up. So this is the authenticity here that I will definitely keep. This item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. So it's described as the Monogram Multicolor Judy MM White. So I'm not sure if it comes in a GM. I am sure it comes in a PM because you have GM as the largest, you have MM as the medium size, and then the PM as the small. So I have seen it in the PM, but I don't think I've seen it in the GM. I don't know if I would really want it bigger than this either. So yeah. So yeah, this is, I'll just keep you updated on it, but I'm so excited to finally wear it. I think it'll go really well with my white dress that I have on here today. And I'm going to go ahead and clasp this back because I will be wearing it as a shoulder bag today. And I'll just show you, I'll move the camera up and just show you how this is probably how I'll be wearing it. And I will do a outfit and bag up today and just kind of show you how I'll be wearing it. So that is all I have for today on this bag. Thank you for watching as always. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button because I will be coming back for more discussions on luxury items. And if you guys already own this bag, just give me some feedback on what you have experienced wearing this bag. What are some pros and cons of it? And until next time, have a wonderful and blessed